Hi, welcome to back. Today prompt is to create sales page in Copilot prompt. Now I will explain and copy this prompt and upload. You give on this single three words. After that is the Copilot work done. This is the complete work. Sales page framework, sales page framework. Two different methods are working. Hero session. The big bold headlines that speak to directly our customer pain point. Desire add to subsidy lines that clarify that benefits, including strong visuals, products, photos, lifestyles, images, makeups. The sales page framework, another mode. The eye catch headlines, plus subbing lines, and the clear status of benefit is strong call to action, but the whichever example you like, the particular example you can use it. The in this way is providing this one is the better, this one is the which one is the better, you can select. I like this one is the better example. This is the simple, I will tell you. Garb attention, finally faster way to grow your business. Problem building empathy. Try to wasting the hours on manual task. Solution present product. Our automation tools save your 10 plus hours weekly. Benefits show values boost productivity at the cost of scale effortlessly. Proofs build trust over the 5,000 happy customers worldwide. Offer clarify deal and the $49 monthly cancel anytime. The CTA drive action start your free trial today. This way, please give an example. This is some confusion creating example headline. This is the example layout. Is this? This is the best I thought. This one is the best. My right hand side is the best. Which you are like this both sides, which is the like left hand side and right hand side the best, you can comment us. Please subscribe, please share our VGR Learn channel. Thank you.